Come test drive the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.